Hi and welcome to LAVONNE'S kitchen. Today in the kitchen I'm going to make me some shrimp and pasta with a nice tangy tomato sauce. It's going to be delicious. So let's get to it. Let's go with our ingredients. Like I said, we're going to have shrimp. So our main ingredient is shrimp. And I said pasta. I'm going to use some angel hair pasta. Okay? I've got me some diced up bell pepper, some diced up onion. I chopped up me some fresh ground parsley. I'm about to smash up me some garlic, some fresh garlic. I have some tomato paste and some tomatoes with green chilies. Okay, you know I like things a little on the spicy side. And then I've got some kosher salt and some black pepper, a little bit of oil to go ahead and start sauteing. So I'm going to start sauteing I'm going to start sauteing my vegetables, but I've still got to chop up this garlic. So while I'm chopping up this garlic, you know what I need you guys to do? If you're new to the channel, that's right. Go out, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you are informed every time I have a video. All right, so I'll be right back. As you can see, my water is already boiling for my pasta, so I'm going to just add a little kosher salt to it. You always want to add some salt to your water when it's boiling when you're making pasta. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that before I start sauteing my vegetables. That way, they'll be done around the same time, which is what I really want. I'm going to take some of my pasta. I'm not going to use all of this. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put my olive oil in my skillet, which is already heating up. All right, I already have my onions and peppers, but let me chop up a couple garlic cloves. I just want to do 2 of them right quick. 1, 2. Well, actually, that's 3, but that's good. This one is small. I'm gonna go ahead and put these onions and peppers in here. Since this is angel hair pasta, it's very thin, so it doesn't take that long to cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and strain my pasta, and then we'll get to working on our sauce. So, let's see. I'll actually move this over, move this over to a hotter heat. I'm gonna strain my pasta. All right, so while that's straining, I'm gonna go ahead and add the tomato sauce. I mean tomato paste. And just stir this in here. All right, we're gonna let that cook for a minute. While that's cooking, I'm gonna open up my wine. If I can get it open. Let's see if I can get it open. Here we go. Now, you don't have to use wine in yours. You can use chicken broth or vegetable broth if you'd like. All right, I think my tomatoes have cooked long enough. I mean, my tomato paste. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomatoes now. Get this wine open. Let's see. And we're gonna deglaze it. A little wine. Oh yeah, that's smelling good. That's smelling real good. A little bit more wine. We don't want it to be too thick. You know that tomato paste makes it thick. Like I said, you don't have to use wine. You can use chicken broth. All right, so we're gonna add our fresh parsley. We're gonna add a little salt and pepper. Put a little kosher salt in here. I'm just gonna let this cook for about 1.5 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my shrimp. I want to make sure everything's mixed up really well. Okay, so our sauce is about ready. Look at that. I wish you could smell it. It smells amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp. Now the shrimp are already peeled, deveined shrimp. There's some very large shrimp. I always do jumbo shrimp. So I'm just gonna add those in there, just stir them in. They're already cooked. I buy them that way. It makes things a lot easier. And so our pasta is also ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to add my pasta. I'm just gonna kind of mix that in real well. Get that sauce all in the pasta. Oh yes, this is smelling real good, y'all. You can smell the garlic and the herbs, of course. That parsley. It does make a difference when you use fresh herbs, fresh garlic and fresh parsley. So basically this is done. I just need to make sure everything has enough sauce mixed in it. And I'm gonna go get me a plate and start to eat. I gotta taste it. Look at it, y'all. Ooh, look at it. Let me go get me a plate. I'll be right back. So the pasta is ready. Look at that, y'all. Look at these big old shrimp in here. You can see the tomatoes and the peppers and onions. Oh, and it smells amazing. Oh, you can smell that garlic. Taste that wine too. Oh, that's good. Look at that big old shrimp, y'all. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, wow. Well, I'm not going to prolong y'all because this is good and I'm ready to eat. So guess what? I thank you guys for joining me in LAVONN'S kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation of the food. I really want you guys to go out there and try to cook it. Come down in the comments, let me know what you think. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.